Hello, friends, and welcome back to Nova. I am so happy to see you again. Today, we have a funny and sweet story for you. It is about cooking, surprises, and how to fix a mistake. This story is for beginners. We use simple words and clear sentences. Today's story is called The Burnt Dinner. Let's begin. Michael wanted to do something special. Today was his 10th anniversary with his wife, Emma. Emma always cooked, but tonight Michael wanted to cook dinner. He wanted to surprise her. Michael went to the supermarket. He bought chicken, vegetables, and a chocolate cake. He came home and started cooking. He put the chicken in the oven. He felt very proud. He thought, this dinner will be perfect. Michael was tired. He sat on the sofa to relax. He turned on the TV. The news was boring. Michael's eyes closed. He fell asleep. 1 hour later, Michael woke up to a loud noise. Beep, beep, beep! It was the smoke alarm. There was a bad smell in the house. The smell of smoke. Michael ran to the kitchen. He opened the oven. Black smoke came out. The chicken was not golden. It was completely black. It was burnt. At that moment, the door opened. Emma came home. She saw the smoke. She saw Michael's worried face. Michael said, "Oh no, I am so sorry, Emma. The dinner is burnt. Our anniversary is ruined." Emma looked at the black chicken. Then she looked at Michael. She started to laugh. Emma said, "It is okay, Michael. You tried. That is important." Michael asked, "What do we do now?" Emma picked up the phone. "We will order pizza. Pizza is my favorite food." That night, they sat on the floor, ate pizza, and laughed. It was not a perfect dinner, but it was a perfect anniversary. That was the story of the burnt dinner. Did you enjoy it? Even when things go wrong, we can still smile. It is time to practice together. Why did Michael want to cook dinner? What 3 items did Michael buy at the supermarket? How did Michael feel after putting the chicken in to cook? What loud noise woke Michael up an hour later? What did Michael smell when he woke up? Where did Michael run to when he heard the alarm? What was wrong with the chicken when Michael opened the oven? How did Michael feel when Emma came home and saw the smoke? What did Emma suggest they eat for dinner instead of the chicken? How did the story describe Michael and Emma's anniversary evening in the end? Great job today! You learned many new words about cooking and feelings. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, please like the video and subscribe to Nova for more English stories. See you in the next video.